Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the HPE ProLiant DL580 Gen9 server. In this video, we're going to specifically focus on power supplies. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the HPE ProLiant DL580 Gen9 server. Do us a favor, find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, well, let's hop in. This video will be one of the quickest ones in our series. It's dedicated to power supplies. So what we're going to do is talk about the different sizes of power supplies. We're going to show you how to install it, which is super easy. So the different sizes, you have a 1200 watt platinum or a 1500 watt platinum. I do want to note that they are a 200 to 240 volt. So make sure you have the right connection at your data center or at your house to be able to support these, because not every connection will work. You can't just go plug this in at your house, for instance, and think it's going to work. So that is one thing that I did want to note up front. And you also can't mix the power supplies. Whatever you have has to be the same. There are 4 spots for power supplies in the back, so this is definitely a beefy server as a whole, but all 4 do have to be the same. You can't have 2 1200s and 2 1500s. It just won't work. You're going to blow one of your power supplies and damage the server potentially. So just make sure it's all uniform. So if it's something that you need an upgrade on, or you need a replacement on because one of them went down, you need to overnight it, definitely call our sales team, sales@cloudninjas.com, and we can overnight one and help you out there. So all right, we'll show you how to install it. But before we do, I'm going to grab my ESD gear. Be right back. All right, have my ESD gear on. We're safe to work on the machine. So first things I want to show you is just how easy this is to install. It's kind of like the hard drives. You're literally just going to slide this in. You're going to watch this piece right here. We'll just clip right into place, and you've installed it. One of the easiest installs that you will do. If you need to remove it, you're just going to push this in and pull this out. That's it. That's how you install your power supply. Super easy. Well, hey, if you're looking for any custom-built HPE, Dell, Supermicro, Cisco, Lenovo, we'd love the opportunity to earn your data center, your home labs business. Please email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. We do new and we do used. Take care, guys.